Oatmeal cookies, 3 ingredients only. You can make the most beautiful, delicious, healthy almond or oatmeal cookies. Oatmeal cookies is gluten free, is so tasty, is also sugar free. We will do it with 3 ingredients in every house. 1 big banana, and when you have banana, it must be ripe or very soft, so it will be easy for you to make it puree. You mix it with fork to be very soft, and then we'll add it the rest of ingredients. The rest of ingredients is 2 cups of oatmeal, which almost 120 grams of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter or tahini. Tahini is sesame butter. You can choose peanut butter or tahini, and 1/4 cup of honey. If you don't want honey, you can add it maple syrup. Both is so good and will make a very nice taste. With the fork, you mix it all, make it a nice dough. Don't be lazy, mix it for 2-3 minutes till everything becomes a fantastic dough. If you have kitchen aid or kitchen process, it will be so easy to mix it for 2 minutes and we'll have a nice batter. After that, all you need, you just bring silver sheet or butter paper, even if you can use silicone paper. I added, it's our choice, 1 spoon of cardamom. It brings your cookies to another level of happiness. But if you don't want the cardamom, you can add it cinnamon or whatever flavor you want to add it. Here we go. I bring the trays, then I roll all the cookies. Better for you to make it with a scale 15 or 20 grams, so you have all size is the same. I have silver sheet and I wet my hand with water so it will be easy to mix. If you have ice cream scoop, it will make all the same size. Then I reheat my oven at least 10 minutes before I use 180 degree for 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes and you'll have the most amazing, delicious, gluten-free dessert. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Thank you guys. Ahmed Yunus.